If Biden can revise the Affordable Care Act, I think it'll give him an advantage. I think it'll give him an advantage because it's an established plan that much of America likes and agrees with, and if he can tweak it to make it work to where the other half of the people who don't like it now can agree with it, I think it'll work.
It's not going to work because it's proven that it doesn't work, and people don't want to. Sorry, it's my hand. People don't want to have to pay money to not get the proper care. They need a health care that's going to work, and that part did not work, and it's proven. People had to pay money, they were being fined, and they weren't getting care. They weren't even getting close to getting care.
The plan of changing the ACA will have a huge effect on the amount of people who follow him in the presidential race because it's a much needed component of voting.
The health care plan that Biden wants to put into place is gonna hurt him. I work in healthcare, and as I said in my last question, and the state of Iowa's Medicaid program is a monster to try to get anything done, and I'm afraid that with a new insurance plan, the waiting time and the length of need for prior authorizations for procedures would be really hard.
Depends on the extent of the changes and how much they benefit the populace. It could go either way, honestly.
Well, I think that ACA is much needed. A lot of people need affordable care and all that, and people can't have access to it, so I believe that it will help the communities that have low income to afford care that is necessary to support them in the need of help. I feel like he will have more votes because there are low income people that can't afford insurance and hospitals and all that, so it's greatly needed to help support the lower class and the middle class.
Why do I think Biden's health plan will give him a disadvantage? Because it's a terrible plan. The ACA is great, or at least was, but now it's being chopped up, of course, because of Republicans. But no, we need Medicare for all. We need health care for everybody. It needs to be free. The rich need to pay for that.
And I think that it will give him an advantage over the other Democratic candidates that are running because they don't want as much change, and I feel like what they want won't fix the issues as much as Joe Biden and what he's trying to do. I think that he has a more realistic plan.